On a recent trip to Oxford, we spent the afternoon by the river with the Folly and Oxford River Cruises, sister spots that offer food, views, and a peaceful ride down the Thames. Here's how it went. We arrived about an hour early, and for one very specific reason. To grab cocktails on the Folly's Riverside terrace. We've heard their drinks were seriously good, and we weren't about to miss out.
Okay, I got my blueberry mojito. Looks delicious. It's got actual blueberries in there, it looks purple. It's got the mint leaves on top, it looks nice. It's really good. It's been ages since I've had a mojito actually, so long. I forgot how they tasted, but it's kind of sweet, it's minty, and with the blueberries inside, it's a nice refreshing taste.
I got the spicy mango margarita. Very refreshing and light. I can have this every day from now on. This is really good. The drinks were so good, and we ended up ordering another round, and the Folly brought them straight to the boat as we boarded for afternoon tea. Honestly, not a bad way to start the cruise.
Okay, so the second cocktails came. I got the bramble, raspberry flavored. It's got some gin in there, so it's kind of a fruity gin cocktail. Let's see what it tastes like. It tastes really strong with raspberry actually, like almost feels like you're eating a pure raspberry. It's smooth, it goes down easy.
And I got the passion fruit Bellini. It has a nice little flower on the top. All the cocktails here look so pretty. Let's give it a taste. This is like a passion fruit alcoholic soda almost is what it tastes like. It's really good. I like it. So we've had 4 drinks already and the afternoon tea cruise has not even started yet. So we're both looking forward to get going and start having a little munch of the scones, the sandwiches, the pastries, and of course, some nice teas. Just as we finished our second round of drinks, our afternoon tea was brought on board, beautifully presented from top to bottom. Starting at the top, a selection of mini cakes and tarts, almost too pretty to eat. In the middle, freshly baked scones served with strawberry jam and clotted cream. And on the bottom tier, classic finger sandwiches, all served with a pot of tea or coffee, if that's more your thing. So I'm going to start our afternoon tea by having a bite from a little sandwich here. I think this is cream cheese and cucumber, which I'm so excited for. It's very simple, but very yummy.
I think it's tuna. It doesn't taste very strong, but yeah, that's tuna mayo. It tastes like good quality tuna. It doesn't taste like the average tin tuna. It tastes really nice.
After a few nibbles of the finger sandwiches, which were the perfect mix of light and savory, we figured it was only right to follow it up with a proper cup of tea. I mean, what's afternoon tea without tea, right? It is my first time ever having green tea with jasmine. The aroma of this tea was very light and floral-like, with a gentle jasmine scent that lingered softly in the air. It was fresh and calming, the kind of smell that instantly slows you down. I don't know how to explain it. It's just good. I think I'm going to be searching for this tea when we go back to London. All right, next up, my favorite little dessert here in England, the scone. I'm gonna grab this one. It looks nice and tasty. Okay, there's a debate here in England whether you put the jam first or the clotted cream first. Guy and I have always put the clotted cream first. It just kind of makes the most sense. It's nice and smooth and the jam is a little bit chunky, so it just goes right on top. So that's what I'm gonna do. Grab some clotted cream. Ooh, this looks like some nice clotted cream.
Downstream as well.
Now some jam right on top.
It takes about an hour.
Give it a little taste.
It feels a little bit over to where like.
This is really good. This tastes like a homemade scone. Really yummy.
Okay, so we've just about finished our scones. Still drinking a bit of tea. There's lots more, so we're having lots of refills of the tea. But apparently there's some races happening in the area, so we've been told to pull over on the side so that we can let the race go by. So we basically get front row seats to the Oxford boating race. So we'll just drink our tea and wait until the race goes by.
Once the water cleared up, we continued cruising along the river. Our skipper shared little stories and fun facts along the way, which made the ride even more enjoyable. After settling in and soaking up the views, we decided it was time to try a few pastries from the top tier.
I'm not sure what it is, but it looks really good. The cream, super light, not overly sweet. And then I don't know what to call this, a sponge. I feel like it's like a lemony flavor. It's really good. I like it.
Okay, and I'm gonna try, I think this one with a bit of chocolate on it. I think it's called a caramel shortcake or millionaire shortcake. But yeah, it's got some bit of cream, strawberry on top. This looks good. So nice, like the caramel filling is super soft, just like crumbles away, and the chocolate on top. The chocolate seems like really fresh, like good quality chocolate. It doesn't taste like one of the ones from like a supermarket or anything like that. Like, it tastes really good quality. I think they might all be homemade, no? They taste really good.
All right, and our last little treat is this macaroon. It looks really like homemade, so I'm sure that everything on this afternoon tea platter is just made in-house because it tastes just really yummy, really fresh, like a homemade meal would taste. So let's give this a try. This is very, very soft, very light. I don't think anything here is like super sugary. You know, sometimes you have desserts and they're just overpowering. It's too much. This is not too much. This is perfect.
And just like that, we devoured the entire afternoon tea stand. Honestly, it was hands down the best we've had. Everything was so fresh, from the soft scones to the delicate pastries, and you could really taste the quality in every single bite. Our little river cruise was coming to an end, but we were having too much fun to call it a day just yet. So, if you haven't guessed by now, yep, we made one last stop at the Folly for a final cocktail. This time we went for a bramble sour and another blueberry mojito because it was just that good. Everything at the Folly is made with the freshest ingredients. Whether you're in the mood for cocktails, lunch, dinner, or a full afternoon tea, you'll find it all here. The Folly is a sister spot to Oxford River Cruises, which means you can enjoy a great meal and then step right onto the boat for a scenic cruise. The best part, they're right next to each other, making it one seamless Riverside experience.
If you are interested in any kind of river cruise, if you come here to Oxford, make sure to check out Oxford River Cruises. It is so fun, and we guarantee you're gonna have the best time out there. So cheers, and we will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.